Traders often ask me about books about trading. Now, almost all traders read the same books, and I'm not going to spend time and effort on talking about books which all the traders know about. What I'm going to tell you is some of the books which are not related to trading, which you should read. If you read those non-trading related book, in fact, you'll become a better trader. And the first book which I highly recommend is Deep Work by Cal Newport. Right, Deep Work by Cal Newport. So if you see this book, this is a very good book. The reason why this is a good book is this book talks about a methodology to do deep work. Of Deep work is extremely satisfying, because if you go deep and you understand certain things, once you understand that thing, whether it is a setup or a visual chart pattern or a particular historical period and how it operated, or how market operates in a bearish period. So if you can do that kind of a deep work, then you build an expertise in this field. And this field of trading is all about expertise building. So that is why the methodology in deep work is so clean and clear, and it is required to become successful, because especially in the beginning years, you need to do deep work. If you want to change your setup, you need to do deep work. If you want to fine tune your entry strategies, you need to do deep work. And that kind of a thing is possible if you have some sort of a structured way of doing this. So the deep work book, which is by Cal Newport, I highly recommend for that reason, for every trader who wants to improve their game. No matter how skilled you are, you can pick up things in this book, practical tips which will make you a better trader. So Cal Newport's Deep Work is one of my books which is recommended for traders